Hello everybody. This is Alina.
This is Kevin.
Welcome to our Lucent factory. Right now I'm in our factory. Today I'm going to show you our LCD screen automatic producing line.
Bienvenidos para nuestros queridos amigos, nuestros queridos clientes. Aquí vamos a hacer una breve presentación de nuestra línea automática de producción de LCDs.
Let's come with us to visit our Lucent factory. Let's go.
Please follow us.
Yes.
Por favor, síguenos que vamos a hacer una breve presentación de nuestra nueva línea automática de producción de LCDs. Aquí vamos a dar vamos a explicar paso a paso de lo que vamos a comentar para poder explicar mejor para ustedes.
Yes. Let's share with you how we producing the LCD screen step by step.
Yes, Elena.
Yes, right now we are going to enter our dark-free workshop.
Ok, aquí estamos para cambiar vamos a tener que usar un traje antiestático para poder entrar a la fábrica y para poder darles más explicaciones de nuestra nueva línea de autoproducción de LCDs.
Yes, before we go inside our LCD screen automatic production line, we need to wear our anti-static clothing. Hi everyone, this is Alina from Lucent. Welcome to our LCD screen automatic producing line. Before I go inside, I need to wear the anti-static clothing. Right now, I'm finished. Follow me. And this is our intelligent air saver. It will take 15 seconds to remove the dust from our clothing. Hi everyone, this is Alina from Lucent. Here right now I'm in our LCD screen automatic producing line. Here you can see different professional workers will be responsible for different producing process. Okay, let's come with me to visit our LCD screen producing line. This is our dark-free workshop. And in this area is our producing raw material setting area. This is the OCA for different size. And here is the raw material of the glass for different models. And here is the raw materials of the protective film. And here you can see is our LCD screen automatic producing line. It will take 5 parts. Okay. The first step you can see is our inspecting glass appearance to check if there is any dust or defect or damage. And then we will put the glass to the automatic line. Yes. And here is the second process. We will place the OCA on the glass. In this position, we will put the OCA to working automatic one by one. In this process, we will take off the film from the OCA in order to combine the LCD with the glass. And the next process is our professional worker will inspection every LCD appearance to check if there is any dust or defect. And he will take off the film from the LCD screen and put every LCD model to the LCD laminating machine to combine the LCD with the glass. And when we checking the LCD screen, we will form some defective LCD screen, and then we will put the defective LCD screen in this area. You know, Lucent won't send any defective LCD screen to our customer. Before shipment, we will test them one by one. Only send the good quality to our customer. Okay, the next step can see is the automatic machine will combine every LCD with the glass together. The LCD screen will combine the glass with OCA into the LCD screen, and they will deliver automatic. And here is the next step. The LCD screen is finished. After combining the LCD with the glass, and then we will got the LCD screen, and it will deliver automatically by the machine one by one to put in the box. Here you can see is the automatic machine will put every LCD screen to the white box, and every small position can put 20 or 30 pieces in the white box. And after fill up the white box, and this machine will ring and inform us to take the LCD go to the next process. The next process is the LCD screen deforming process. We remove the bubble on the LCD screen. And here you can see is our producing LCD raw material setting area. You can see different model LCD will put in different blue box. Okay, the next steps we are going to the LCD screen deforming process. And here you can see is our high pressure deforming machine, and we will put the LCD screen go inside this machine, and this process will take 10 minutes to remove the bubble from the LCD screen. And after 10 minutes, we will take out the LCD screen, go into the next step. This process is the inspecting the LCD screen appearance. We will check every LCD screen appearance if there have any dust or defects. And this is our professional workers will check it one by one. In this process, if we found the defective LCD screen, we will take out and send and put in the other area. We won't send to our customer. And okay, in this area is our defective LCD screen area. When we producing the LCD screen, once we found out the defective LCD screen, we will take out and put in this area. And then we will, for different model, we will put in different box. For example, this is the model A31. The defective problem is no displaying. And next, we will take this LCD screen go to the next process. This is the process our professional workers separate the defective LCD screen into the glass and the LCD. Here you can see our professional worker will use the separate machine to separate the defective LCD screen into the LCD and the glass. And then we will send back to our factory to repair it and producing it again. Here is our whole LCD screen automatic producing line. If you want more information, welcome to contact us.